So let me just show you other opportunities. All right, you can see now this is a buy trade. This is a buy trade. So you can see what I'm talking about. In this time now, you can see this candlestick close outside of the upper band of the Bollinger Band. It closed outside. So at this point, I would have entered the buy trade here. And you can see the MACD. It was above the zero line. You can see it says like a step. It's an histogram. It will be going carefully up. So once you see something like this is where you enter your buy trade. I'll enter my buy trade here, and this if I enter my buy trade here, I would have closed my trade around this point. So this is where I would have closed my trade, and I'll make good profits because the scalping strategy. This is where I would have closed my trade. So I always like to ride the trend. So that's just what I do. I ride the trend. But you can see this sell candle here. You can see it closes very well inside the upper band of the Bollinger Band. So this would have been where you exited. You would have entered here and you exit here. So let me show you another setup. Let me just show you. So let me just show you another one before we go further. Okay, you can see this one here now. You can see this. Sorry. Okay, you can see this candlestick. Now you can see this candlestick. It closes very well outside of the lower band of the Bollinger Band. So I would have entered the trade here. I will enter this trade here, and this is where I would. So the trade went in my direction for a little moment, then it came back up here. So you can see I would have closed my trade here. So if I had closed my trade here, this is a break even. So I won't make profit, I won't make loss. So that is just the accuracy of the strategy. Your stop loss is very tight. While your take profit or the money you can make from it, the profit you can make from a trade, you can go as much as the trend that trade gives you or the market gives you. Just make sure that the only rule you need to take in this strategy is that whenever you enter a trade, make sure to be online to observe the trade, because you are not setting your stop loss and take profit once you open the trade. So you have to be online. You have to be monitoring. This thing I'm saying now, look at, if I had entered the trade here, this is 1 minute time frame. So this is 1 minute, 2, 3, 4. So at the end of 4 minutes, you exit the trade. So you don't need to, it's not like you are spending 4 hours that probably you need to go offline for some time. It's just a short, that's why we call it scalping. So it's a scalping strategy. So let me just show you. Okay, let me just show you. Let me see if we have something here. Okay, look at it, the same thing here. You can see this here now. You can see, let me show, this trend started from here. You can see this trend, it started from here. You can see this candlestick, it closes outside of the lower band. I would have entered my trade here, and I'm going to ride the trend. I'll ride it, I'm riding it. This is where I'm going to exit. You can see, this is where I will exit my trade. And I'll make a very good profit here. See, let me just draw the line. See the line. You can see this was where I would have entered. You can see the trend. So there's a saying in forex: always trade with the trend. So this Bollinger Band is a very powerful trend indicator that tells us times of oversold and overbought region in the markets. So MACD is just a confirmation for us to know when to enter the trade. So with the Bollinger Band, when the candlesticks they are still inside the Bollinger Band, it means that the market is still consolidating. But once the candlesticks are closing outside, that's a very good signal. And when you confirm it with your MACD, remember that the MACD will be below the zero line before you can take your confirmation trade. So let's go to another volatility index for you to just see the accuracy of this strategy. Let me just check here. All right, so you can see this is among volatility 10 index. This strategy, you can use it on, like I said at the beginning of the video, you can use it on any of the volatility indices, synthetic indices, but not boom and crash. Please don't use on boom and crash, because boom and crash is not really not what you can trade with this strategy. Don't use on boom and crash, please. So look at this market now, this volatility 10 index. Okay, so you can see here now, you can see this signal here. So this is a good signal here. So but let's say I entered a sell trade here. You can see the MACD is also below. It follows our confirmation. So let's say we enter the trade here. If I had entered the trade here, okay, and you monitor the trade, then I would have closed it around here. So there's no, this would have been a losing trade. But like I said, there is no 100% strategy in forex. There's no 100%. But if you master this strategy, you will notice that the profitable trades you make, the amount of money you make from the profitable trade will so far exceed the few losses you make from losing trade, because our stop loss now, our exit rule is very tight in terms of stop loss, because we are exiting once a candlestick closes inside the Bollinger Band. So if you have entered here, this is where you would have closed. So you just make a small loss and you simply observe the market again and enter another trade. And you can always get a lot of opportunities when you are using this strategy. Okay, you can see here now. Look at here now. If I had entered a trade here, you can see this candlestick now, it closes above the Bollinger Band upper band. So if you enter a buy trade here, you ride this buy trade, you can see the market continue to trend, and you can see up to this point. So I could have even closed my trade when I get to a good region, or I'll simply wait for this sell candle. Immediately this candle closed inside the Bollinger Band, then I will exit my trade here. So that is just what you need to know about the strategy. Okay, so let me show you another one. All right, so let me see another good opportunity here. So let's say you entered. Look at this one now. You can see the market was coming down, and you can see this candlestick, it closes below this lower Bollinger Band. So this is where you would have entered your sell trade. So if I enter my sell trade here, look at the sell trade I would have entered here. I'm going to make good profit, and this is where I would have closed the trade. So this is just what you need to know about this strategy. So this is the accuracy of this strategy, and the money you make, the profit you make from a good trade can always cover the small losses you make from other trades that you would have entered. So look at this one here. Look at this one here. So you can see this one here now. You can see this candle here. You can see that it closes above the upper Bollinger Band. So I would have entered my buy trade here, and I'll enter my buy trade here. I'm going to ride this trend. You can see the candle did not close below the what they call it, the lower Bollinger, the upper Bollinger Band, and I would have rolled my trade up onto this point. So this is where I would have, you can see this candlestick, this is where I would have closed my trade, and the profit I would have made here would far exceed even the small losses of so many trades. So this is the scalping strategy that I'm talking about. So why I don't really use stop loss or take profit is because sometimes it can remove me early enough from the trade. So I always just wait. I use my stop loss and take profit lines for the Bollinger Band. So when I see that a candlestick has closed inside the Bollinger Band, that means that's my exit time. So that's the time I exit the trade. So I would have made a very good amount of profit from the trade. So that is the strategy, guys, and I hope you found this useful. So please, if you have any question about the strategy, you can always drop a comment and I will attend to you. So I hope you also enjoyed the video. Please remember to if you are a Nigerian user watching this video and you want to fund your Deriv account, you can always head on to soget.com and use soget.com to fund your Deriv account instantly. And when you want to withdraw from your Deriv, you can also use soget.com to withdraw money from your Deriv. So the exchange rates are always displayed on our website. So if you are funding your Deriv account on using Soget, that means you send us Naira and we'll credit your Deriv account with US dollars. And when you want to withdraw dollars from your Deriv account, you send us the US dollars and we're going to credit your Deriv account. Sorry, we'll credit your bank account with Naira. So thank you for your time, guys, and then please remember to subscribe to our channel and also like this video. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you once again for your time. Goodbye.
This video was brought to you by Soget. Buy or sell your Bitcoin and perfect money on soget.com. We will pay you instantly within 2 minutes. Sign up today at soget.com/register.